Good day, everyone. Today, we're going to conduct a training program with regards to note-taking and titling Fastest Ways to Take Down Notes During Online Class. I am Mike Hamid de la Cruz, your trainer for today's training. Going back to the topic, the objectives of this training is to give participants an additional tips to improve their note-taking skills and at the same time to acknowledge the benefits, importance, and strategies of taking down notes during online class. At the end of this training, HR students will be able to determine what drives students to take down notes or not, understand the benefits and importance of note-taking, identify the strategies for taking effective notes while studying online, and use that knowledge to daily life situation. For my introduction, as we can see in today's situation, effective note-taking is one of the keys to succeeding in school. In fact, students should devote a considerable amount of time reviewing information discussed during lectures, and it is very difficult to remember specific details or major concepts from lecture without good notes. According to me, students are taking an online course so they don't need to take notes because all the information is there on the screen. The truth is, research shows that note-taking improves reading comprehension and increases retention of information. It is an active form of learning that all students, even those in online course, should use. In today's online discussion, students have attended a great deal of classes throughout the day, wherein they all cover different subjects. The students are overwhelmed with information and in fact, they are struggling to capture thoughts and ideas as quick as they can. With that, one question that often arises about online discussion is whether students need to take notes or not. Of course, the simple answer is yes. Whether they are studying a traditional classroom-based course or studying online, the benefits of taking notes are the same. What does it mean if you hear the word note-taking? For its simple definition, it is the practice of writing down or otherwise recording key points of information. Also, it involves certain cognitive behavior wherein this engage your brain in specific and beneficial ways that help you grasp and retain information. And according to Merriam-Webster, note-taking is the act or process of taking notes. With that, note-taking is an essential element of a student's life. So, where does note-taking start? Note-taking depends on active listening. Unfortunately, few students are taught how to do this. That's why here are some essential listening skills. Listening well is an active process which requires determination, energy, and attention. The following can help you listening thoroughly, accurately, and actively. First, we have overcome distractions. No matter what the distractions may be, like noises, worries, or people, you must take responsibility for concentration on what a class provides. No one else can listen for you. Make a commitment to listen even when it is difficult and reduce any distractions for yourself. Second is focus on central themes. As you take notes, imagine that you must summarize the information you record to others after class. This will force you to decide on essential information to pass along. This kind of thinking requires concentration. Third, maintain your focus. When your mind wanders the focus, bring your attention back to what you hear. If you feel focused or lose interest, ask a question for a clarification or leave a question mark in your notes. Always keep up with your notes taking so that your record of each class will be complete. Fourth is judge the message, not the messenger. Not all instructors are excellent presenters, but the information that they are presenting is still valuable. Focus on what you are hearing, not how it is being presented. Determined to learn from every class presentation. The benefits of note-taking. Note-taking provides several benefits beyond the record of what was presented in a lecture. Effective note-taking keeps you alert. Note-taking keeps your body active and involved and helps you avoid feeling of drowsiness and distraction. Engages your mind. Listening carefully and deciding what to include in notes keeps your mind actively involved with what you hear. emphasizes the organizes information. As you take notes, you'll decide on and highlight the key ideas you hear, identifying the structure of a class presentation. You'll also be able to indicate the supporting points of the presentation, making study and understand the easier after class. Such organized notes also make it easier for you to link our classroom learning to textbook readings. And lastly, creates a condensed reading for study. A set of concise, well-organized notes from each class session gives you what you need for study, learning, and review after class. Importance of note-taking. Everybody takes notes, or at least everybody claims to. In college, your instructors expect you to make connections between class lectures and reading assignments. They expect you to create an opinion about the material presented. They expect you to make connections between the material and life beyond college. Your notes are your roadmaps for these thoughts. Effective note-taking is important because it supports your listening efforts, allows you to test your understanding of the material, help you remember the material between when you write key ideas down, gives you a sense of what the instructor thinks is important, and creates your ultimate study guide. Now, here are the 8 recommended strategies for fastest ways to taking down notes while studying online. First, take notes by hand. This strategy is an old-fashioned, but taking handwritten notes during your online course can eliminate a lot of unnecessary computer steps. For instance, you won't have to click back and forth between your class and your typing document. You won't need to post videos or lectures you're streaming either. Simply pull out a pen and notebook and start writing. Second, be prepared before you start. Don't just launch straight into a lecture video without knowing which or what topics and concepts will be covered. Most online courses have a course overview and more detailed syllabus that you can access before starting. Make time to study this so you can identify what points are important to notes or to take down when watching the video. You should also make sure you understand the meaning of the terms and concepts used in the course overview and syllabus before you start to avoid any unnecessary time wasting. Third, don't write everything down. Research shows that students have a tendency to write everything down when taking notes during an online course. This is mainly due to the absence of textbooks, handouts, and other materials normally provided in a traditional classroom. However, writing down as much as possible can actually hurt a student's ability to study. Too many notes can lead to information overload, limiting the amount of material a student is able to recall at a later time. Take notes while reading or listening. Many online courses primarily involve reading the materials and watching lectures on your own. Experts suggest becoming an active reader or listener in order to get the most out of the material and your notes. For example, take notes while reading the material rather than reading or skimming through it and jotting down a few notes later. Mark what catches your eye as you read it. If you don't understand something, leave a question mark in the margin and go back to it later. Fifth, opt for diagrams or pictures. If you have a hard time finding the right words when taking notes, then try drawing pictures or diagrams. If the passage you're reading is about the anatomy of the human body, consider drawing a picture of the body and labeling it with short descriptions. Diagrams can also help you record concepts in a way that you're able to understand and grasp quickly when glancing back over your notes. If there is a diagram or picture in the material or online, try saving it to your computer so you can print it out and add it to your notes later on. 6. Be organized. It is important to be organized with your note-taking so that it is easy to refer back to your notes if you need to. Clearly label a separate notebook for each course and start a new page or section for each video lecture, starting with the title of the lecture and where you can access to the lecture again should you need to revisit it. Remember to date your notes and number the pages. 7. Establish a note-taking strategy and stick to it. A note-taking strategy is the method you use to take notes. Deciding which one to use beforehand will help you organize the content you're learning in a more meaningful and effective way. Use note-taking software. There are a variety of note-taking software programs available to help students take, store, share, and retrieve notes from any place at any time. Even if you are taking your notes by hand, you might want to keyboard them later and store them in your computer. Here is a list of some of the top note-taking programs and applications are as follows. Evernote. Evernote is one of the more popular note-taking programs. This software must be purchased and can be used with Windows, Mac, Android, or iOS devices. It is literally a catch-all for your notes. Be they handwritten or typed, it can store them. Microsoft OneNote is an easy-to-use program and it's free. OneNote is actually part of the Microsoft Office and built it to interact with Word and Excel. It's also available as an app for Android or iOS phones and the web. This program gives users the ability to take notes, draw images with a stylus, record audio notes, and share notes with others. Google Keep. Google Keep is Google's very own version of a note-taking application, and it's available on the web and through Android and iOS phones. This program is a cross between Evernote and OneNote, easy to use and entirely free. And SimpleNote. SimpleNote is an easy-to-use, free program that is designed specifically for taking notes. As its name implies, it is very basic program intended for text storage only. This is a great product for students to start with when looking to use an application to assist with note-taking. It is available for Windows, Mac, Android, and other iOS systems. My conclusion, effective note-taking helps students retain what they learned in class so that they can use the materials to study and build their knowledge and tackle more complex concepts later on. It doesn't matter whether you prefer to write brief summaries or make visual guides and diagrams in your notes. The important thing is to find a note-taking strategy that works for you. Whatever approach you use to make notes during a class session, remember that you must still engage in actively learning those notes as soon as possible and regularly during an entire class. Collecting even excellent notes for several weeks and expecting to learn them right before the exam is a recipe for failure. Learning, like exercising for fitness, happens over time, not all at once. At the end of the day, whether you take notes by hand, on a computer, or through a phone application, it's a good idea to review your material right after the online course. The information you've just read, heard, or watched will still be fresh in your mind, giving you the opportunity to make the most of your notes. Your instructors can teach you but no one else can learn for you. The job is yours and yours alone. Preparing for taking and studying your notes is an essential part of becoming a successful learner and getting the most out of the time and effort you spent in class. Make the end of this course the beginning of your commitment to making more effective notes. Hence, the rewards will be worth the effort. Thank you.